Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ridhi in case you're new here. And today, this is the makeup look we are going to create. I am so excited for this. I just love this makeup look. I mean, this is such a beautiful, angelic, lovely look. I am obsessed with this look. So this is going to be my full-on glam Diwali makeup tutorial, and without any further ado, let's get to the video. To prime, I am going to use the Beige Studio Finish Oil Primer. I do really love this primer because it's an oil and I have dry skin. I have so many dry patches in winters. So for me, this is the best primer during winters especially. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I am going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light as my eye base. So for today's eye look, I am going to use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So to start, I am going to dip into the shade Libra. So I'm going to lay down the Libra first on my crease, literally all around. And then I am going to go into Hot Mess. This will go on my outer corner and diagonally. And a little bit onto crease just to give it that blend, if I will. Going back in with the first brush to blend it all together. So something like that. It is mostly Libra, but just a little bit depth onto the outer corner. Now I am going to go in with this eye pencil. This is by Bourjois Paris in the shade 45 Blue Remix. I don't know if you can still get it. So I'm gonna tight line my lash line using this. Something like that. So this is the look I recently created on my sister. If you guys didn't see it, it's on my highlights on my Instagram. So now I am just going to smudge the liner out. So now I'm going to go into the shade Super Moon. Before that, I'm going to use a glitter glue. This is by Colors. I'm just going to tap that glitter glue on my inner corners, and now I'm going to dip my fingers into the shade Super Moon it was, and now it is going to stick on much better and will be more vibrant. I seriously love this glitter glue because it's not at all chunky. It just gives you that thin layer of glue that is needed. Now I'm gonna go back in with the first brush and buff on my crease. And now I'm going to use the shade Mercury on top of the blue liner we used and going to really glitterify this look. Okay? I'm going to go into the shade Hot Mess, sort of buff it in. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera and this is how it looks. Very smoked out, glitter, liner kind of a look, but very angelic, very pretty. I just love this look. When I did it on my sister, I was so obsessed that I really wanted to recreate this look on myself. And what better occasion than a Diwali glam, you know? Then I'm sure that you will get so many compliments on this eye look because just look at it. It's just so eye-catchy and so like pretty. It's beautiful. So for the base, I am going to use the Makeup Studio foundation. Today I am also going to color correct, which I don't usually do. So to color correct, I am going to use the Derma Color camouflage creme in orange shade. Obviously, this is how it looks. I'm just going to blend it out using a sponge. I sort of did my makeup and didn't start the video, sorry. I am using the Makeup Studio foundation in shade Warm Beige. Actually, this side is yellow, which is too light. So now I have switched to Warm Beige, which is this side, and this is a lot better. So just blending it in with my Rumor Cosmetics sponge. For the concealer, I am going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Vanilla. Now again, I'm gonna use my sponge to blend it all out. Now I am going to use the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in shade Medium Deep to contour. So I'm gonna go into this shade right over here. Now I'm using this Smashbox buffing brush to blend the contour in. More like a bronzer. I just love this stuff because it just like blends in so seamlessly. It's extremely beautiful. If you need a cream contour, just get these MAC palettes. This is in the shade Medium Deep. If you have darker skin tone, you can also get a deeper version of these palettes. Now I am going to mix these two. These are the Flower Beauty Blush Bomb. These are in the shade Bubbly and Melon. All the products used in this video will be linked down below. There is a sale going on Nykaa, so you can get most of these products on discount. So use this time. Using cream products underneath your powder products really makes your makeup last. So if it is a long night, do use cream products underneath your powdered products. To set my face, I am going to use the RCMA No Color Powder. Now I will use a powder contour to set in the cream contour. I'm gonna go into the NYX contour palette. I always use this. And just a little bit. I do not harshly contour, so a little bit is just fine, you know. To blush, I am going to go in with the Morphe 9B Blushed Palette. I am going to go into this shade just a little bit to set that cream blush in and to add a little bit more of the pigmentation, you know. Now I am going to do my lashes and mascara off camera and we'll be right back. So now I am going to use the Pixie Rose Glow Mist. Now I am going to do my under eyes. I'm going to go into the shade Mercury. For that, I'm going to line my waterline using the blue eye pencil. Now to highlight, I am going to use the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder. The shade will be in the description bar down below. I like seriously love this highlighter because it like meshes in with my skin so beautifully and is also extremely reflective and does not emphasize my pores being that reflective. Ooh. I look like a 10 man. What did I do? I'm also going to highlight my nose. Now to line my lips first, I am going to use the matte lip liner. For the lipstick, I am going to use the MAC liquid lipstick in shade Burnt Spice. And then I'm going to use this Kiko Milano lip gloss in shade 05. Okay, so I am Diwali ready. This is the look, guys. Please like this video if you loved how the look turned out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below what you feel about this look. And also, did you guys learn something? Maybe I inspired some of you to step out of your comfort zone and create something a little bit more special and different. Also, share this video with your friends and family because Diwali is coming up. So I'm sure that this video will be very helpful for all of them. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.